Welcome. In this tutorial, I will be showing you or teaching you on how to unban someone on Discord server using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your Discord app, or you can just go ahead and use the Discord on your browser. So now just go ahead and open the server and then click on your server's name at the upper left corner of your screen and click on server settings. And now, here at the moderation section, you can see the bans option. So just go ahead and click on that. And here you can see all of the list who is banned on your server. So now just go ahead and click on this user that you want to unban. And just go ahead and click on Revoke Ban. And that is how you unban someone on Discord server. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.